My name is Sean. I'm the general manager of Odyssey Contracting, and I'm here with Greg, the owner of this beautiful home behind us. Greg, would you like to tell them about your experience with Odyssey Contracting?
Sure. Thanks, Sean. So we found Sean to be professional, trustworthy, and really exceeded our expectations in the overall project. We found his workers to be very hardworking, very skilled, respectful to us, as well as respectful to our property. So when we went through this, we really looked at it as three phases. One was the decision, two was the process, and then three finally was the result. And where we kind of landed on this, Nancy, my wife, she looked through extensively on the reviews. We established a comfort level that Sean had the quality and the track record to do what we wanted him to do. And I spent time with Sean personally going through the details of what he was going to do on our roof and how he was going to do it. I'm into that, and that was important to me. Secondly, for Nancy, she's a design person, so he gave her significant selection options to get the right roof to match our stone and the rest of the house. And then secondly, for me, Sean we actually had hail damage on our roof, so Sean had a really good understanding of the process to work with insurance and really guided us through that. And then finally, for both of us, the warranty. The warranty was really important to us and showed that he was confident in what he was going to get done. Secondly, as far as the process went, it was timely, basically on schedule. And lastly, the result. We found Sean, like I said, to be trustworthy. The net of it is he does what he says he's going to do and exceeded our expectations. Some contractors do better than others when hiccups occur, and I have to say that Sean is really at the top of that list. As when we did have a hiccup, he handled it quickly and in the right way.
Well, Greg, thank you very much for the kind words, and we appreciate you letting us at the Odyssey team work on this beautiful home here. And if any of you out there need work on your home, restoration, roofing, siding, windows, give our team a call at Odyssey Contracting.
Thank you.